Welcome everybody. Day here at Dub Saw Shop. What we got on the agenda for today? Just picked up this Poulan CounterVibe 3400. It's pretty clean. Runs pretty good. Does need a little bit of carb work. So we're pulling it down, do some cleaning. Gonna be rebuilding the carburetor. Been in the process of replacing the fuel lines, and right in here, I'll grab a flashlight. So right in there is where the fuel tank vent line goes. Gonna be replacing that also, waiting on a couple of duckbill valves to get here. I figured I'd just show y'all how to pull this down. We'll get to this carburetor. Go ahead and get this air filter cover off. It just pulls right off. And you can pull your air filter out. It's kind of a unique design. The carburetor sets up onto this plate. Made it pretty easy to get the handle situation off. Take these two handle bolts out, and the whole handle just pivots up on the AV mount. Then on this side, see how it just slips inside the AV mount, and the whole handle just pivots right forward on that. Pretty simple. Got a couple of flathead fasteners. Most all the fasteners on these are gonna either be, I've been using 4mm, and the handle is 3/16. You got one in the front for the top. You got one down in this hole and one down in this hole. Loosen those up, and then the whole top cover will come off. Now, we'll say some of these 3400s, some of these older saws, they ain't been apart in 25, 30, 35, 40 years. That Loctite that they used on these things, it's been stuck in there pretty good. Get those loose, lift up, pull forward. Now, a lot of times, if you do not remove this handle, if you don't fold that thing forward, you will fight for days trying to get this top cover to line back up. I know a lot of people I done seen on YouTube, they'll actually cut this part of the cover out to clearance here and clearance around the air dam right here. It's too easy. You don't need to do that. Phillips head to remove this choke bracket. Like I said, that Loctite them dudes used is no joke. Just loosen that bracket up. And that pulls out. And you can remove your linkage. These bolts, two flatheads here and here. Small enough screwdriver, I think we'll be able to pop her off. Oh yes. This, what I was looking at, is a Walbro HDB. It's got a little foam piece, keep the fines from getting in there. Piece just comes out. And twist the room in. She is off. was a lot easier than I was thinking it was going to be. Have a flashlight again. Lighting in this shop is not very good. So there's a Walbro HDB. You can tell all the overspray from the factory on the carburetor. Not in bad shape. Well, from this point, we'll wait on a rebuild kit, and then we will start in on this carburetor.